Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to add Instagram chats without deleting them. Let's get started. What you need to do is open up your app. You want to add your chat or certain chat from someone. Now what you need to do is click on the chat here. So click on the chat, then click on the person's chat you want to add. Then after that what you need to do is click on the profile name, then click on this option, then click on restrict, and click on restrict, and this is it. You have restrict them. You can see you have restrict them, and this is it. You can see you restrict it. This can see when you're online and when you read the messages. So this is how you hide them. So how do you open it back? What you need to do is just go to your profile. Once you go to your profile, okay, so click on edit profile, click on this three dots, sorry guys, click on this three line, then scroll down and you're gonna look for restricted. Click on restricted, and this is it. Just click on next and go and unrestrict, and this is how you open it from aiding. So it's very simple. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.